Don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a certified technician today.
Hi, this is Kevin with RVFix. Today we're going to take a look at summarizing our Jayco Jay Feather 25 RV 2026. So to begin with, we want to make sure our tankless water heater is turned off until after we're done summarizing. So we just want to make sure that's in the off position right there. You want to make sure to get some water in your fresh tank. So you just need about 1/3 of a tank. That's what we got it filled up to already. Then we're going to head inside. We're going to go ahead and kick on our water pump right here at the monitor panel. And then we just need to flush out all of our antifreeze until we got clear coming out of all of our water fixtures. So while you're flushing it out, just make sure you're doing hot or cold. Make sure you're doing them one at a time. It doesn't matter if you do hot or cold first, just each side one at a time. And we'll change that over to cold. And once it clears up, we're good on that kitchen faucet. Then we'll just do the same thing for everything here in the bathroom. Okay, once that's all nice and clear, go ahead and flush the toilet as well. And once that's coming out nice and clear as well, then we'll just do our shower. We do have an outside spray port outside as well, so we'll do that real quick. And this one's just hooked up right in this little outside kitchen area. All right, once you got all the antifreeze flushed out of your water fixtures, the beginning of your springtime is always a good time to do your checks. Checking seals on the sides of the roof of your unit. Make sure you're checking tire pressure and the torque of your wheels as well. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry. We're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a certified technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.